Hello everyone, in this video we shall study some important current affairs of the month November. So let's start. First, with which country India has entered into a field of military medicine? So Uzbekistan. Second, Pawan Kumar has been appointed the next ambassador of India to which country? So Pawan Kumar has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to UAE. Which country has won the Rugby World Cup? So it's South Africa. Where is the 4.7th Indian America Economy and Financial Partnership meeting concluded? It's New Delhi. So in New Delhi, India America Economic and Financial Partnership meeting concluded. The book The True Meaning of Yoga has been unveiled. Who is the author? So its author is Ravi. Okay. Its author is Atma in Ravi. Atman in Ravi. In which city India a public health emergency has been declared? Public health emergency has been declared in Delhi. Who has launched robotic surgery in New Delhi? So Dr. Harshvardhan Singh has launched robotic surgery in New Delhi. Which country has launched the world's first blockchain-based carbon trading chain exchange? So it's Singapore. So in Singapore, the world's first blockchain-based carbon trading exchange has been launched. Who co-chaired the 16th India-Asia Summit? It's Narendra Modi. Who has inaugurated the SCO joint exercise? SCO joint exercise has been inaugurated by Amit Shah. Next is, who is the world's largest manufacturer of plastic waste? So America. America manufactured the largest of plastic waste. And the generator of e-waste is China. Which country has announced to buy 11,000 cold weather clothing systems from the armed forces of which country? So USA. Okay. Who has become the first state to include transgender in Lok Sabha Commission examinations? Assam. Which state chief minister has waived motor vehicle tax 100%? So it's Punjab. Punjab state chief minister has waived motor vehicle tax 100%. India's largest double-decker flyover is being built in which city of Bihar? So India's largest double-decker flyover is being built in the Chhapra city of Bihar. So it's important. Which bank has partnered with the non-profit education platform EDX SBI? Where is 7.200 kilometer Walkathon Fit India started? So 7.200 kilometer Walkathon Fit India started in Rajasthan. Which state chief minister R.R. Dorikanu has died? Tamil Nadu. Which country, 9 number, researchers in India and Canada have found evidence of dairy production in which civilization? Indus Valley civilization. Which tiger reserve has been appointed for the first time as a guide? Corbett Tiger Reserve. Which tiger reserve has women appointed as the first time as a guide? So women has been appointed in Corbett Tiger Reserve as a guide. Which state has celebrated 65th Foundation Day on 1st November 2020? Madhya Pradesh. Which country former Prime Minister Mesut Yilmaz has passed away? Turkey. So Turkey. It's Turkey where former Prime Minister Mesut Yilmaz passed away. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.